So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Lakshay here. So today we are gonna solve a new question, that is LeetCode 234 question number, which says palindrome linked list. So what this question says, it says given the head of a singly linked list, return true if it is palindrome or false otherwise. Means here we have given a linked list and we have to check that if it's palindrome, then we will return true, or else we will return false. So how can we solve this question? So let's take this example. Now, now how can we check this? So we can't just check use two pointers and place at the edges. It will be more complicated. So that's why we will create a list. Okay, we will create a list which is basically like a vector, and we will simply traverse our list with a temporary pointer, and we will add the elements to the list. So first of all, one comes, add, then temp goes here, we add 2, then temp goes here, then we add 2, then temp goes here, then we add 1. Okay, cool. So now we have all the elements of our linked list in the vector. Now what we can do, we will simply put two pointers, one at the starting of our list and another at the end. We can name them as left and right pointers. Then we will create a while loop which will run till our left either becomes greater than 0, or means till our left either becomes greater than right, or else our left is not equals to right. Then our loop will broke, otherwise we will keep on traversing. Okay. So left, right, we will first compare. We can see that left is equal to right, and also left is smaller than right. Okay, that means we can make our left plus plus and our right minus minus. Now we will again compare that our left is equals to right and it satisfies, and also left is smaller than right. Then again our left plus plus and our right minus minus. So now we can see that it violates a condition that left is smaller than right, because now our left is greater than our right. So we will break our loop and we will simply return that if our left is greater than equals to right. If it's greater than equals to right, that means we have successfully traversed our list, and that means that it is palindrome. And if it's not left, and if left is smaller than right, then means that at some point we have to leave our list and they are not palindrome. Let's take another example like we have here. Let's see. 1, 2. Okay, first of all, convert it into a list and have like take two pointer left and right, one at the starting and another at the right side. So we will compare our left and right. So we can say left is not equals to right, which violates our condition and it will break our loop. Then we will check the final condition that left is greater than equals to right. It's false, because we can see that left is smaller than right. That means it will simply return false, as in this case it was returning true. So that's it. This is how we are going to perform our this question. Simple. Let's jump to our pseudocode. First of all, we create a vector which will name as list. Then we will start. First of all, we check our while condition. If head is not equal to none, we will start pushing our all the linked list values to the list. List push head well. Then head equals to head next. After this, our list is now have all the elements of the linked list. Then we will create two pointers. It is int left will be at 0 and right it will be at list dot size. -1, which will point to the last index. Then we will start our loop that while left smaller than right and our list left is equals to list right. Then we will keep on moving. Our left will plus plus and right will minus minus. And at last, after this loop, we will simply return if our left is either greater or equals to right. If it is, then it will return true, and else it will return false. If it returns true, that means our list is palindrome, and if it returns false, that means our list is not palindrome. So that's it. We'll discuss the time complexity. So it is the best optimized solution. That's why its time complexity is big of, and because there are no nested loops and we are traversing only at once, here once this time, once this time. That's why it's only big of n. So that's it. That's our question. It's kind easy. You must try yourself, and I will also provide the code below. But you first try yourself. If it makes you feel hard, then you can jump to the code below. So here's the code, like we have already discussed. It's about create a vector list. Then we will traverse our list till we have traversed all the elements, and we will push them to our. Okay, I missed a step, that is head next. No, I haven't missed. So we will traverse till we have all the elements in our list. Okay, then we will create two pointers, left and right. Then there is a condition that till left is smaller than right, and then list left is equals to list right. Till then our left pointer will plus plus and a right pointer with minus minus. At last it will return if a left is greater than equals to right. If true, then it will return true, else it return false. So that's it. That's our question, and thank you for watching the video.